Sweet cardamom rice flakes desert soup, or sweet cardamom rice flakes milk desert soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the soup recipes and one of the most unique of the desert recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cardamom recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes. Today we're going to make cardamom rice flakes sweet soup. We've taken around 100 grams of rice flakes or oil, 3 to 4 cardamom pods, 10 grams of raisins or dry grapes, 10 grams of cashew. Heat the stainless steel pan. Now pour in around 4 to 5 grams of clarified butter or ghee. Let it get heated in low flame. Put in the raisins. Saute it until the raisins pop up. And take off the pan. Put in the cashew, salt, salt the cashew. Salt until the cashew become brown. Take off the pan and onto the plate. Put in the crushed cardamom pods, 4 or 5 in number, salt, thoroughly, until the cardamom is nicely fried in the clarified butter. Put in the rice flakes. Salt. Keep on salting. Thoroughly salt until the rice flakes turn golden. And 5 spoons of sugar. Milk. Pour in 350 ml of milk into the mixture. Mix. Thoroughly mix. put in the cashew and the raisins, which we fried earlier, and mix. And let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Now the cardamom rice flakes soup or sweet cardamom rice flakes soup is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final cardamom rice flakes soup or sweet cardamom rice flakes dessert soup or sweet cardamom rice flakes milk dessert soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the dessert recipes and one of the most unique of the sweet recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the soup recipes and one of the most unique of the cardamom recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.